Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to cancel your Shopify subscription. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and log into your Shopify admin. Now, once you're in here, go ahead over to the bottom left and to click on settings. All right. Click on it. Now go ahead and go to the left panel, which is right here. And first select billing. Okay. As you might have any apps right here that you have registered and that is paid, well, all you have to do is just click on view all subscriptions. And in here under paid apps, first make sure to cancel all of your subscriptions. Okay. Now, once done, go ahead and go to plan. Now, what you'll do here is that at the bottom right, you will see a deactivation button. Just tap on it and it will look like this. All right. Tap on the activate store. And once done, there will be a pop-up that looks like this. Okay. You're going to want to click on please select. There will be a bunch of reasons right here. Just go ahead and select what you prefer. Okay. And once done, there will be a box in here that will ask you for a password. Go ahead and enter your password and hit on continue. And after that, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.